Hello, fellow classmates.
Hello.
Okay, so today you will be learning about volume, which you probably know, but we'll be teaching it to you again.
And by the way, my name is Arthraj.
And I'm Vasu. So, let's get to it. Okay, so here we have a word problem. A rectangular box with a base 2 inches by 6 inches is 10 inches tall and holds 12 ounces of breakfast cereal. The manufacturer wants to use a new box with a base 3 inches by 5 inches. How many inches tall should the new box be in order to hold exactly the same volume as the original box? Note, the volume of a rectangular box may be calculated by multiplying the area of the base by the height of the box, which you already know. So, okay, first step. Okay, so first step, right over here. Volume, we write the formula. Volume equals LWH, length times width times height. So we're finding this, the original one. Okay, so we do 2 times 6 times 10. That would give us volume equals 12 times 10, and volume equals 120. 120 inches. Okay, so then with that, we have to find the volume of the other box, the new box. So the new box we know has this, 3 inches by 5 inches. So we'll write this out. So 120 equals 3 inches times 5 inches times the height. We need to find the height. So 120 equals 15 times h. So with that, we divide 15 by both sides, then cross out 15 from this side, and when you get 120 divided by 15, you get 8 inches is the height. So with that, this is the answer, and the correct answer is A.
Okay, now here's another problem. We have to find the volume of this figure. So first you write the formula to find the volume. V equals base times height. Now the base is a triangle, and the volume for the area for the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 length times height. Length times width. Then you multiply that by the height. So then the length is 5, and the width and the width is 7, since this is a right triangle. And then you gotta find 1/2 of that and multiply the height, which is 6. So volume is 35. You gotta find half of that. Multiply by 6. Instead, we should just do half of 6, don't you think? 35 times 3. And the answer is 105 centimeters cubed.
Hello, so it's me, Vasu, back with another teaching. Okay, let's see. We're finding the volume of pyramids. So you see, we have a pyramid here in the orange. The height is 4. Well, the length is 2, and the width is 3 of the base. So we have to write out the formula right here. So volume equals 1/3 length width, which is also the base, and multiply that by the height. So once we do that, we get volume equals 1/3 3 right here times 2, which is over here, and then multiply it by the height, which is 4. So with that, volume equals 1/3 6 times 4. So now, since we multiplied 3 times 2 and we got 6, we could eliminate the 3 right here and the 6, and we turn the 6 into a 2. So then we would end up with volume equals 2 times 4. And that would give us volume equals 8 units cubed, because 2 times 4 is 8. And that, classmates, is the answer to this problem.
Okay, now we have this guided problem. It is a square pyramid, because you see here, the length and the width are 4, which means this is a square. So, and in addition, this height is 6. So first we put down the formula for the volume. V equals 1/3 LWH, which is also length times width times height. Volume is 1/3 4 times 4 times 6. Now which of these numbers is divisible by 3? 6 is. So we cancel out 3 and 6. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So volume equals 4 times 4 times 2, since we eliminated the 1/3. So volume is 16 times 2. So volume is equal to 32 units cubed. And that, folks, is the answer.
It's me again, back with another teaching problem. Yes, we will be finding the volume of cylinders. So, let's check out the cylinder here. Okay, the height is 21 feet, and the diameter is 10 feet. Wow, that's a big cylinder. Okay, so we write out the formula first, and here's the formula. Volume equals pi r squared times height. So basically, volume equals pi. We keep pi the same because we don't want to get into that really long number. So we'll just keep it like that, pi. And the radius is 5 because since the diameter is 10, so the radius r is equal to d divided by 2. So the radius is equal 10 divided by 2. So radius would equal 5. So with that, and then the height is 21. So V is approximately equal to, since pi is approximately equal to 3.14, so 5 squared equals to 25, and you keep 21 the same. So V is approximately equal to 3.14 times 525. 25 times 21 equals 525. So when you multiply 3.14 times 525, volume is approximately equal to 1,648.5 feet cubed. And that is the answer, but not the accurate answer because we rounded the pi to 3.14. So there we go.
Okay, I'm back. Now, to solve this problem, you have to use the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Volume equals pi r squared h. So pi r squared is the volume area for the formula for the area of a circle. Now you just gotta multiply that by the height. So volume equals 3.14 radius, which is 5 squared, times the height, which is 7. So So volume equals 3.14 times 25 times 7. So volume equals 3.14 times 170, 75, yeah, 175. Now you have to multiply it through, and you get 549.5. Sorry about that little one over there. Just erase that. Then 549.5. Now don't forget about the units. Inches cubed.
I guess I have to teach you another problem, because my life is this boring with more and more teaching problems. Okay, this is different this time. We're going to be doing volume of cones. Yes, like an ice cream cone, for example. So first, let me change the color. Let's see, choose green. So this here is the formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r square h. So with that, we have radius. Radius is this, 3. And the height would be right over here. So the volume would equal 1/3 pi r squared, which is 3 squared, times the height, which is 9. So volume equals 1/3, which is 9 times 9 times pi. So with that, so we could just do it like this. We'll just take this 9 out. We'll take this 3 out. We'll change the 9 into a 3. So 3 times 9 equals 27, and that's what we get here. We just bring the pi down over here. So 27 times pi. Pi is equal to 3.14, which is what I mentioned in my last problem I taught you. So we would change this to approximate sign. Volume is approximately equal to 27 times 3.14. And with that, volume is approximately equal to 84.78 units cubed. And always remember, if you're approximating with this, then you always have to put the approximate sign. And this is the answer.
Okay, now I'm back with another problem. So we use the formula for the volume of the cone, which is volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. So the volume equals 1/3 times 3.14 times the radius squared, which is 5 to the second power, times the height, which is 9. As you can see, 9 is divisible by 3, so we cross them out. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So volume equals 3.14 times 25 times 3. So 25 times 3 is equal to 75. So volume is equal to 3.14 times 75. When we solve it out, we get volume equals 235.5. And the unit is inches cubed.
Vasu here with the dilation problem this time. Something different and unique. So, okay, so so you guys pause it for like 15-20 seconds to like do this problem, and then play it to get the answer. If you guys solve this correctly, which I hope most of you did, the answer should be, drumroll please, 60. Oh, wrong one. Eraser mode. Never mind. 64 units cubed. That's the answer.
Okay, here's another problem for you guys. So pause the video and work it out for at least like 15 to 20 seconds. Then play the video and I'll show you the answer, okay? Hope you all found the right answer. The answer is, drum roll please, 40 units.
Wahoo!
Just kidding. It is 20.
For all of you people that thought 40 was correct, you're wrong, because the answer is 20.